In this video, you will see how to home or move axis X, Y, and Z. Click the Maintenance section in the menu. Next, click Move Axis and select Home XY. Click Home. It is important to make sure that the build plate is clean and has no prints or other parts on it, so the extruder won't hit them during the movement. Click the Maintenance section in the menu. Next, click Move Axis and select Z Movement. Click on the Home Z button and next, Home. The build plate will go up and the homing is done.